It provides technology so that we can organize the data in a better manner that can reduce the time and cost of any project. Good evening everyone. The topic of today's lecture is IT sector in India. So friends, before knowing about IT sector in India, let's know what is IT. So IT stands for information technology. We know that world is full of information. But when we require the right information at right time, if technology is not there to process it, will not be able to find it. And information is money for the world. So IT sector works on that only. It provides technology so that we can organize the data in a better manner that can reduce the time and cost of any project. So in India, 3.83 millions of users, employees are working for IT sector. Some of the IT sector that are established in India are Cognizant, Mindtree, Accenture, Microsoft, and many more. We have even the world biggest tech giants, Google and Amazon. So what is the importance of IT sector? First of all, it gives employment, and secondly, it has CSR, that is corporate social responsibility. So as per Indian's policy, 2% is the profit of CSR. And by that, if we talk about the current scenario, every company has helped India a lot by giving the CSR facilities. If we talk about one company, that is Cognizant, so they gave 10 crores to UNICEF India, and also they provided vaccinations to the employees and also their dependents. Like this, every country is working, every company is working to help India in every way. So what is way forward? What is the challenge? The challenge is that in India, people from rural areas are not so educated, so they are not able to avail the facilities and the employment from the IT sector. And IT sector requires the skills, but the graduates are not to that level so that they can get a job from the IT company. Secondly, we need more entrepreneurs. Everyone likes to work for a company. Whenever a person is getting graduated, he chooses to work for a company. But a person can open his own IT company that can employ other people also under that. So if everyone's think in that manner, we will be able to expand the IT sector, that is one of the evolving sector of India, and also the economy of the country will increase. Thank you.